everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a delicious, healthy, and energy-packed snack for your little one, you're in the right place. Today, we're making a homemade protein bar for kids. It's super nutritious, easy to prepare, and your child will absolutely love it. So stay with me till the end of the video. I'll share some amazing nutrition tips and a bonus finger food guide for kids. In a dry pan, add 3 walnuts, 5 almonds, 6 pistachios, 5 hazelnuts, 6 cashews, and a small handful of pumpkin seeds. Roast them gently over low heat until they release that lovely nutty aroma. Each of these nuts is a powerhouse of nutrients. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support brain development. Almonds provide vitamin E, great for healthy skin and immunity. Pistachios add protein and fiber, helping with steady energy. Hazelnuts and cashews offer healthy fats and magnesium for bone strength. And pumpkin seeds are a fantastic source of iron and zinc, both vital for your child's growth and immunity. After about 5 to 7 minutes of roasting, add 1/3 cup of rolled oats and toast everything together for another 10 minutes. Oats are wonderful for kids. They're full of complex carbs and soluble fiber that support digestion and keep energy levels stable. Once everything is roasted and cooled slightly, transfer it to a grinder and pulse until you get a coarse powder, not too fine. While grinding, remember that this mix forms the protein-rich base of our bar, combining good fats, proteins, and minerals that growing children need every day. Now take 1 cup of soft dates, remove the pits, and mash them thoroughly with a fork or blender. It's important to use soft, fresh dates. They bind the mixture naturally without needing any added sugar. Dates are nature's candy, rich in iron, potassium, and natural sugars that give gentle energy without spikes. They also help improve digestion and prevent constipation, which is especially beneficial for toddlers. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame tahini to the mashed dates and mix well. Why tahini? Tahini, made from sesame seeds, is loaded with calcium, healthy fats, and B vitamins. It supports strong bones and boosts brain function, making it an excellent addition to children's diets. Now pour in your ground nut and oat mixture. Stir everything together until it forms a sticky, dough-like texture. Shape the mixture into small bars, balls, or any fun shape your child enjoys. If you're making finger foods for toddlers, make sure they're small, soft, and easy to hold. This helps your child practice fine motor skills and self-feeding safely. According to the latest pediatric nutrition guidelines, like from the American Academy of Pediatrics and WHO, introducing safe finger foods around 8 to 10 months encourages independence, sensory development, and better eating habits. Always ensure the texture is soft enough to avoid choking risks. For a final touch, drizzle a bit of melted dark chocolate on top and sprinkle with crushed pistachios. It looks beautiful and adds a delightful crunch. Your homemade protein bars for kids are ready, packed with love, energy, and essential nutrients. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to check out our baby and toddler meal playlist for more nutritious recipes and feeding tips. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a healthy recipe for your little one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with another delicious and baby-friendly recipe. Bye-bye.